Hey Airbnb, we're at Bareback Brook at our place, and this is the kind of stuff we do to get ready for our guests, who are pretty amazing, and they're pretty demanding too. They want to see a clean house, they want clean windows, and this is what we do to give it to them. What does it take to be a SuperHost? Cleaning and sterilizing the bathroom. That's what it takes to be a SuperHost, and that's what we give our guests. When we clean here at all of our properties, we tend to divide and conquer. So a lot of times Ed will take the upstairs and I'll take the downstairs. Because that way, when I'm done, he can come check over my work, and when he's done, I come check over his work. You missed a spot.